Ever wondered how to pronounce soldier correctly? Hey there, word enthusiasts. Have you ever stumbled over the word soldier? Let's break it down together. It's pronounced soldier. Notice the first part sounds like soul, and the second part sounds like jur, almost like the G in jungle. Highlighting the syllables soul and jur as they are spoken. Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me. Soldier, 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 soldier. How did you do? Feeling more confident? If you nailed it, give yourself a high five. Now, it's your turn. Drop a comment below with a word you struggle with, and let's tackle it together in the next video. And remember, practice makes perfect. Subscribe for more quick pronunciation tips and become a word master. Thanks for watching. See you next time.